Parrot Power Puzzle. Alex from True Data Ops. Today's funny work order involves the electronic talking parrot toy in the playground that's running low on batteries. It's usually chirpy and motivational phrases have turned into slow, deep baritone utterances, creating a mixture of amusement and mild spookiness for the kids. We've all experienced toys with low batteries and how spooky and fun it can be.
Share yours.